Okay, people, today we're going to show this process of making your own vitamin capsules with the encapsulator. Okay, first what I would do is I would lay out all the pieces to your encapsulator when you get it. Okay, this is the bottom part of your capsule holder. This is the top half of your capsule holder. I've already used this, so everything is dusty because it's got vitamins on it. But okay, so you have to do your own measuring. And so first I would suggest laying all the pieces out like this, so you know exactly what they are, what you got. Okay, it can be a little tricky, but anybody can do this. What I would suggest is doing this in an area in your house where you're not going to be bothered. This happens to be my music room, so this is a place where I'm not bothered. So onward, let's go.